so hoch. Hello.
Hi.
So with what problem do the people come to your coaching session?
Well, when getting started in CAD design, the software can be just overwhelming and there's so many tools and you just don't know where or how to start. This workshop is meant for people who are having that feeling but are motivated on realizing their own projects into 3D. So this coaching is for all kind of makers, startups or professionals who are looking on realizing their own projects, and especially this is a prerequisite in order to 3D print your own parts, which is a super fast thing in order to realize prototypes in minutes. And you can easily export any kind of sketches, whether it be super simple or super complex, and then, for example, laser cut it in any kind of material. And of course, also if you want to realize like construction parts or art or any other kind of bigger furniture, for example, you can get started with your 3D model from your Fusion C60 software and then, for example, CNC mill it. In the 3 hours of the workshop, we will get started with the 2D sketches, and then I will show you the most common and most helpful tools in order to create a 3D design. We will get to know parametric design, which helps you being ready for small adjustments or bigger adjustments in your design, being flexible. My goal is to get you ready for exploring the rest of the software on your own and feeling comfortable in understanding how CAD software works and how you can realize even more complex designs on your own. So this workshop is for all kind of beginners in CAD. Or also for people who have previous knowledge in other CAD software. So this workshop will be completely in Fusion 360, which is a cloud-based CAD software program. You can book one of the German or English workshops, which I give every month. So you can book them in the link in the description below, and that's it. Okay, so I am Lenni and I'm a Fusion 360 CAD expert. I learned the software and its various challenges in the last 5 years. I did product development in my own startup. I also studied industrial engineering here at Technical University in Berlin. And today I'm here at MotionLab and just love this place here because there's so many cool tools and people to get in contact with. I'd be happy to welcoming you here at MotionLab.Berlin and hopefully see you soon. Ciao.